Hello everyone, it's Jen. I hope you're all having a beautiful day. So today's video is Boxycharm. It is Boxycharm day. This came today while I was at work. If you do not know, Boxycharm is a $21 a month subscription. You get 4 to 5 full-size makeup products in it every month. It is actually one of my favorite subscriptions, and I am very slowly beginning to have a lot of them. So this is the Boxycharm for the month of March. Nope, that's not right. For the month of April. Sorry, it was a long day. I'm tired. All right, so this is the card it came with. It says peace, love, and Boxy. I have variation, number 6. I've always only gotten variations 1 or 2. I've never gotten anything past 2. I do not know what is in variation 6. So I guess we will find out. All right, so the first thing we have is Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, which I believe is a highlighting powder, I believe. I will show you if I can get it out of the box. There we go. Okay. So this is what the container looks like. I actually do like the container. It's a really pretty color, actually. Oh, it's, how do you, oh. Oh, nope, I didn't break it. Okay. How do you... Okay, maybe I should open this before I started filming. Why isn't it... Husband?
I'm not here.
I need you to open this. I cannot open this. Okay, so while he is opening this, we are going to move on. I believe there's a little sticker right there that comes off where those little holes are, but I can't get it because my nails are too long. Okay, so the next thing we have is a lip gloss from Appeal Cosmetics. I don't think I've ever heard of them before, actually. So I'm not like a huge fan of lip glosses. This one seems to be super glittery, actually. Oh, it is. But it is very thick, though. I don't know if you can see that. So it's a very sheer lip gloss. I would most likely probably use this like under one of my liquid lipsticks or something. But I've never heard of this brand, so I am curious to try that out. And then we got my favorite thing in the whole world that you can never have enough of are the, oh, thank you, are the Luxie brushes. Those are my favorite brushes, and I just have an addiction to makeup brushes. Alright, so it did come in this cute little plastic container with a little Ferris wheel on it. So you have this, I believe this is typically used as a highlighting brush. That's definitely a lot smaller and shaped a lot differently than all of the other highlighting brushes that I have. So I'm curious to see how that works out. And then you have the large shader brush. So they're very, they're actually fairly heavy. And then you just have this one here. I love these types of brushes like this for using underneath my brow bone to put my highlight on. So, and I love the pink and gold ombre effect. Sorry, I broke a nail today at work because I slammed it into a plastic container and popped right off. So we're just going to pretend that that's not broken. So I do like the ombre pink and orange. So I'm super excited to try these as always because those are my favorite. All right, so now we have, what is this? Bodyography Bali Bronze. So what is this? Is that what is this? I don't know what this is. Is this a lip pencil? Okay, I don't know what this is. Hold on, what is this? Yep. Let's see. Oh, this is an eye pencil. Okay. So this is very thin, pointed, and it's just like a regular pencil. That is the color of it. It's pretty. I don't know. I've never used this type of an eye pencil though, and especially not in this color. So I'm not entirely sure on that one. Okay, and then the last thing that we have is this Pure Cosmetics Festival eyeshadow palette. This is what the box looks like. I have a few Pure Cosmetics palettes, and I don't mind them. Some of their shades are a little hit and miss, but overall, I don't necessarily mind them. Oh, what is that? Oh, okay. It came with a little packet of eyeshadow primer called Endurance Eyeshadow Primer. Get a grip. Okay, that's cool. I didn't know that it came with a little foil packet like that. All right, and this is what the front of the package looks like. It looks just like it did on the box. I love the packaging. It's really pretty, and it's that hard, like cardboard style, and it has a nice big mirror right there, which I like. And then let's go ahead and take this sheet off here. Okay, those are really pretty. And then that is what the colors are. I love this gold. I'm gonna swatch, or this gold, this glitter. I'm gonna swatch that because that's super pretty. Ooh, it is pretty. Okay, so it's kind of like a, okay, that glitter feels very weird and very sticky. Okay, but that is what the glitter looks like. It is actually super pretty. It's definitely sticky. And then we'll swatch. Okay, I'm going to swatch this pink shade too because I really want to see. Oh, that's pink. Oh my God, that's pink. That's very, very pink. So it is pigmented. I'll give it that. Ooh, that purple's very pretty too. So yeah, so I'm really actually excited to try this one out. All right, so now, so that's everything. So now let's see what everything costs. Okay. So the Pure the Complexion Authority Festival palette is $36. I don't know about that. The Luxie Summer Days 3-piece brush set is $28. That's pretty average for Luxie brushes. Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder is $27. Oh, and I forgot, he did get this open. So I will swatch it for you if I can, without making a mess all over the place. It's kind of more like a gold, or well, okay, that's really weird. in the pan or in the container, it looks really, really gold. And when you swatch it on the skin, it looks more like a pinkish peach color. It looks nothing on my hand like it does in the jar. So this is definitely a highlighting powder, and that retails for $27, which is, I mean, I don't know, maybe. It might be worth $27. I've never tried that kind, so I'm not entirely sure. The one that I dropped on the floor, so give me 1 second. Oh, okay. This is the Appeal Cosmetics Holographic Lip Gloss. So like I said, I've never heard of this brand. And this retails for $21 for a, okay. $21 for a clear / shimmery lip gloss, to me, is a little bit on the pricey side. I would never spend that kind of money on a lip gloss. A liquid lip or a regular lipstick I would, but lip gloss I won't. And then the last thing is the Bodyography eye pencil, which is $14. Okay, I think Boxycharm has gone a little crazy on these prices. I would never spend $14 on a eye pencil that is really thin like that. It looks more like a lip pencil to me and not an eye pencil, and I'm not entirely sure about the color of it either. So me personally, I would never spend $14 on this. And then, okay, was that it? 1, 2, 3. Yes. So altogether, it is a value of $126. So that's not bad because you did only spend $21 on the box. So you got, you definitely got your money's worth. I definitely like the brushes, and I really like the palette. I'm not sure on these 3 things just because I have never used any of these. So I will have to do a follow-up review on those. I will also try and get a tutorial up using the eyeshadow palette and the powder and the gloss and everything that came in this box this weekend. So that's it. That's all I have for you guys today. So let me know what you thought of your Boxycharm. I'm gonna have to say I'm not as impressed with this month as I have been in the prior months with Boxycharm. I just think these 2 things, I think for me, are a little overpriced compared to what I would spend on them. And they're just kind of not really my thing. So I'm not super impressed with it like I have been in the past, but it is still definitely worth the $21. So like I said, let me know what you guys got, and if you liked it or if you don't like it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.